Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Paint 3D and opening a fresh file so you work clean. Select View and enable 3D mode and the grid. This helps alignment as you build. Next, pick a base 3D shape from the 3D Shapes tool, cube, sphere, or cylinder, and drag it onto the canvas. Once placed, use the handles to scale and rotate. Make sure to set rough proportions now because they determine how other parts will join later. Now you refine each primitive. Use resize for precise dimensions, depth for thickness, and rotation handles for orientation. Once a piece matches, duplicate it when you need repeats, then position duplicates carefully using the grid. When parts align, group them to keep alignment or use merge to create a single mesh for easier painting. After combining, switch to brushes and textures to add color, apply stickers for patterns, and smooth edges. This adds realism and prepares the model for export. Finish by orbiting around your model to inspect all angles. Look for gaps or floating faces and nudge vertices by small increments until surfaces meet. Once satisfied, save the editable P3D file, then export in 3MF or GLB for 3D printing or sharing. Make sure to check file settings like scale and units before export. If something goes wrong, separate grouped parts, fix the offending piece, test again, and then remerge. That troubleshooting step saves time and prevents export errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.